Today, I'll be going through the standard operating procedure for our recommended polishing process. The combination of rotary and orbital tools results in the fastest and best possible finish. But why two different tools? A rotary tool is the best choice for compounding, for its speed and cut. The Norton Random Orbital Polisher is ideal for the final finish due to its non-uniform action, providing the best possible results, free of haze and swirls. For this demonstration, we've already identified our defects and sanded them down in preparation for the polishing process. To begin, apply Ferekla G360 compound to the surface of the vehicle in a thin line. Use a rotary polisher with a Ferekla wool buff pad and buff across the surface at a recommended 1200 to 1500 RPMs to remove scratches from the sanding process. Keep the pad flat on the surface throughout the process. Not a lot of pressure is needed. Simply allow the tool to do its job. Focus on a small area. Approximately a 2 foot by 2 foot area is recommended to ensure adequate scratch and defect removal. Compound east to west, overlapping, followed by a north to south pattern, overlapping to ensure full coverage. Repeat the process if necessary. When you are satisfied that the defects have been removed, use a microfiber cloth to remove the residual compound from the surface. We're now ready to move on to the next step, polishing with the Norton Orbital tool with our Ferekla G3 Pro DA Fine Polish and Dual Action Fine Polishing Foam Pad. When using a new or clean dry pad, you'll want to start by priming it to ensure polish is evenly distributed. Priming also helps reduce splattering and brings the pad and liquid to operating temperature. To prime the pad, apply polish in an X pattern on the pad, avoiding the edges to reduce splatter, as well as adding pea-sized drops of polish between the X for maximum coverage. Place the pad flat on the surface and run the polisher at a level 2 for about 15 to 30 seconds to spread the product evenly, applying minimal pressure. Once the polish is spread evenly across the pad, it is considered primed. Add 3 to 4 more pea-sized drops of polish onto the pad. First, polish east to west, overlapping, then polish in a north to south pattern, overlapping at a speed of 3 to 4. Repeat if necessary to reach desired results. When finished polishing, use a microfiber cloth to clean the surface. Using the new polishing system is that easy. It delivers the speed of the rotary with the high-quality swirl-free finish of the orbital polisher. For more information, including a list of all the products used in this video, visit our website at nortonabrasives.com.